No, well, don't make a face like that because you're off fucking. Sykes my friend. I mean, peanut butter, you can fucking pretty much cover anything. You could use one of these fucking things. Fucking Jesus. This could have been fucking preset instead of me having to deal with this shit. Fuck off. Jesus Christ. Fucking asshole. Want to put a hole through this? Fucking Jesus. I get the fuck in there. All right. Look how fucking awesome this is looking already. This probably cost about 6 cents so far. Cover this fucking thing in peanut butter. Oh, yeah, that's awesome. Roll that shit up in this. There you go, and voila, another fucking bird feedy. So we'll take that one down, put it aside for now. Holy fuck. Well, that was smart, Ricky. Way to go. Now you got fucking shit all over your face. Awesome.